ended, suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard on the door. In a deep silence ensued with the crew will not once discover our peaceful home. Mother ran to father's side, pleading, "Please, Louise, hide in the cellar. They're in a cellar where they couldn't find you." I pulled my father's arm, but he did not move. It seemed as though his feet were glued to the floor. The door went bang, and before us, 5 ugly came barging in. "Are you Captain Luis Santos?" roared the ugliest of them all. "Yes," said my father. "You are under arrest," said one of the beasts. They pulled my father roughly away from us. Father was not given a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were very hungry and thirsty. We saw a group of Japanese eating, of how our mouths watered seeing delicious fruits they are eating. Then suddenly we heard a voice call, "Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar!" We ran towards the direction of the voice, but it was too late. We saw our father hanging on a tree. Then, oh, it was terrible. He had been body beaten before he died, and I cried, "Vengeance! Vengeance! Vengeance!" Everything went black. The next thing I know, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day, we heard the church bell ringing. Ding dong, ding dong. It was time for us to find a shelter in our hideout. But I couldn't leave my mother, invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to the hideout. Suddenly, bombs started falling. Airplanes were roaring overhead. Cannons were firing from everywhere. Boom! Boom! Mother legs were shattered into pieces. I took her gently in my arms and cried, "I'll have vengeance! Vengeance!" But I cried out, "Vengeance!" I was like a pent-up volcano. "Vengeance is mine, not the Lord." "No, Oscar, vengeance is not ours. It's God." These were the words for my mother before she died. Mother was dying and I was blind. Vengeance is not ours. To give is divine, but vengeance is sweeter. That was 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Alms, alms, alms. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am child.